Good afternoon, Tita Ferrer and our dearest panelists. So, we are the presenters, Di Pwede Gang Drawing Lang. And we are presenting Let Gisa Join Swimming. So, ini-ensure po namin na karapat-dapat po kaming makasama ni Gisa even though may kondisyon siya ngayon, which is ka newly operated na hand niya. And, next slide. So, for the objectives, sinisecure namin na si Gisa at yung health conditions niya ay mapapanatiling stable at unaffected kung ano man po mangyari during our swimming. And the next is prevent any river water contaminants reaching newly operated hand. Sorry for the typographical error. Hand lang po yan kasi isa lang naman inoperan sa kanya. Hand of Gisa May. So, pinaprevent po namin na hindi po talaga dumampi man lang or mapitikan siya ng tubig ang kanyang kamay. And then next is make sure Gisa will be able to enjoy still even if she's limited outside the pool. So here, ini-ensure talaga namin na makakapag-enjoy pa rin siya even without the actual swimming. Kasi masaya rin naman po talaga kami kasama and alam po ni Gisa kung gaano kami ka-humorous, nakakatawa, yun na po, you know. And then, next slide rather, why Gisa should join. So, ito talaga yung main reasons that we will get lonely. As you can see here, lonely Jenny. And then, sad. Yet si sadness. You will see in our faces po talaga na we'll be experiencing these kinds of traits na nakakalungkot po talaga and then depressive. And ito po si Gisa, ganito po yung mangyayari sa kanya. Okay, next slide. Okay, on a serious note, alam naman po namin kung gaano ka bigat at gaano kalala po talaga yung condition ni Gisa if ever na matuloy po talaga. And kaya ini-ensure po talaga namin na hindi po talaga siya mapupunta sa pool or matutulak or whatsoever. We will never take our eyes of Gisa. So, palagi lang po kami nakatingin din sa kanya. Binabantayan siya. We will make sure she has someone with para naman hindi siya malungkot din. Kasi hindi pa din nasa lahat kami nandun and then nandun lang siya sa cottage. So, nasamaan din namin siya naglalaro and then magdadala naman po kami ng mga Uno cards, Monopoly para may entertainment din kami during our cottage bonding. And then we will never tolerate any physical actions that may bring harm. So walang magtutulukan, walang sasampalan or sabunutan. We're friendly naman in a way that there's no physical violence or harm na nangyayari. So, we will never tolerate that kind of actions. So, next slide. For the last slide. So, please. Ay, hindi. Ayun na pala. So, please, allow Gisa join our swimming. Hawak niyo po ang aming kalapalaran. Not the beat. So, please. We're friends since grade 11 pa po. And we will never, we will never let anyone be of a such state na ma-harm at di namin hahayaan si Gisa magkaganon and aalagaan po namin siya doon. We ensure you. So please allow Gisa to join our swimming. And Gisa, please accept the offer. Thank you. Thank you for listening.